In the ever-changing healthcare environment, business owners often face a critical need to revisit, retool, revise, and redefine core values to support their business culture. According to research by Runway, a staggering 49% of employees can't recite their company's values. Just think about this. Nearly 50% of employees may not even be connected to the business values, thus impacting your connection with your people, their growth, and thus retention, indicating a gap between the existing culture and the aspirations of your workforce. The findings underscore the urgency for business owners to engage in a profound reevaluation of their core values. Core values are the bedrock of the company's identity, and they must be more than just mere statements on a wall. They need to be ingrained in the daily fabric of the workplace. The lack of the ability to identify the company's core values suggests that people of the business are not connected to the core purpose of the business. So, to address this gap, business owners must embrace the need to revisit the impact of the core values. Why? They help your team members align their attitudes and behaviors that reflect what the business stands for. Core values should not be stagnant. These values need to be vividly brought to life through descriptive behaviors, creating a tangible expectation from every team member. 2/5 of employees express a desire for more involvement in shaping their company's vision and values. Moreover, involving employees in the process of defining and revising core values is essential. Looking for buy-in? Here is a key takeaway. An approach ensures that the values not only reflect the owner's desires, but also resonates with the experience and aspirations of the business's most important asset, its people. Take a look at your current core values. Are they action-oriented? Do you have descriptive behaviors that bring your core values to life through behaviors and actions? One final thought. Do you as a business owner or leader walk the talk and model these behaviors in addition to your employees?